Hi guys, we just got the offset extractor wrenches from Olsa Tools. So this is a tight space we're working on. We got the 12, 13. This bolt is somewhere in between a 12 and a 13 on this thermostat housing. That's after cleaning it off and taking the wire brush to it a little bit. It looked pretty funny. And this is completely routed out. It's getting changed. This seems like a perfect spot to use these wrenches in. I hope this bolt doesn't want to snap. You can see how old it looks. The whole thermostat housing is rotted through. All right, no snappy today, boys. Come on. Oh, it's got a good bite on it. Oh, there we go. Whew. I'm debating whether I want to heat this up or not. So these rounded edged bolts, you can see it's rounded and deteriorated. It's fitting really good on there. All right, as far as getting to this one though, now we'd have to take this fitting off. All right, so we got another tool that's perfect for this situation. We'll show you in a little bit.